you cannot use your kickoff credit anywhere. So if you guys were to get the kickoff cash card, you can only use that where MasterCard is accepted. You cannot use it anywhere. And then too, they have that kickoff credit, which is like an in-store credit kind of with them. You only can use that on their digital products. You cannot use that while you're at the grocery store, where MasterCard is accepted. You can only use that in their kickoff site. So let me show you guys that again. So MasterCard, this is their card here. So if they don't accept MasterCard, you cannot use this cash card there. And then also their digital products, if you guys look under kickoff credit and you guys were to look under the visit the kickoff store, this is where you can use that $750 credit that they gave you. This is where you can actually use it at right here. So you cannot use it anywhere. You cannot use it everywhere, but definitely if you guys get the MasterCard, you can use it a lot of places. But I'm just not totally sold on it yet, y'all. I'm not so. I have to see how people are using it. Everybody's situation is different. I have to see how people are actually using it to see if they should actually get